How to remove About Me from your profile on VK on Android or iOS phone. First open VK and then click on your profile here. After that click these 3 points in the top corner and click edit profile. Scroll all the way down and click interests, and here we'll find About Me. Click on it. Now just remove it, and that's it. It's easy. Just delete it and click save. Here is it, and I hope that can help you. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.